Hey guys, and welcome back to Gamers Go. Today I'm going to show you how to make figures like these ones here.
Are you sure you know how to make things for your business?
But please, I beg of you, don't sell them. I beg of you. If you're not in Toronto, Costa Rica, you can sell them. Go ahead. Or Florida. Or Massachusetts. Or Boston. Okay. So first, we need like your skin color clay. Then you need your hair color and eyes, which is black. You can choose any hair color, but you definitely need black for the eyes. And then you can choose sure, but this time I'm just using orange. So you grab your piece of clay.
You also need cooking clay if you want to bake them.
But you could do you could do whatever you want. If it's like cooking clay, cook them. If it's baking clay, bake them. If it's drying clay, dry it. Leave it to dry, like whatever. So roll your skin color into a bowl like this one here. But
wait,
okay.
Showing the viewers how to spell your name?
And there we go.
No.
So now we're gonna grab our body color, which is orange this time. We're gonna grab our body color. Yeah. So you grab your body color, then you roll it up, and then you see your body color. You push it down on the ground so it's flat. See? And then put your head on top. Then it's like this. As you see, it's like this. And then, see this? You have to get some clay. Grab some small pieces of your black clay. Then put it on the face then put it on the face for your eyes like this. This. Like this, and like that, and that, yeah, and so I just need to grab it, and that, and now you can get your hair color, which is black for mine, since it's easier for this video. You get your hair color. Then you put it on, and then you can style it however you want. Sorry if that fell off. And please leave a like and subscribe. So, see this part? You put it on there, like this. And then you can do it like any way you want. Like this time I'm gonna do it like this. Okay? Then when you're done then you could like fix it a little bit if you want, like if the eyes aren't straight, like this one, like I could get rid of a bit of this, and I could do, and then you're done. And then if it's drying clay, leave it to dry. If it's baking clay, bake it, you know. And then after it's dry, or you bake it or something, I'm just showing them up quickly. It will turn into this. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe.
Yeah,
And leave a like and subscribe.
Please.
Bye.